guys, Ellie here. Today I'm going to show you how to cut your hair, your curly hair at home without risking it to look very bad. So I cut a huge chunk of hair yesterday and it looked very good, I have to say. It's the first time I have done such a huge transformation at home and I was pretty scared. I didn't want it to be bulky down there and to cut it straight because you cannot do that with curly hair because then you will end up looking like a mushroom. I have 4 different layers of 4 different lengths, and now I'm going to show you how my hair looked yesterday and how to cut it step by step. So stay tuned and c'est parti! So if you're seeing this video, it means that I succeeded in cutting my hair and it doesn't look very awful. As you can see, my hair is very long and the volume is not nice anymore and the curls are looser and looser. So today is, I think, my 3rd or 4th day after washing my hair, and it's actually better to do it on dry hair. I prefer to do it on dry hair personally, and on a little bit more greasy hair because now I just have my natural hair after a few days. It's not all puffed up. So I'm going to start by parting my hair. So now that I have parted my hair, I'm going to divide them and I'm going to put the upper part in a bun. So I take it above the ears. So this is the step you will need to repeat as many times as you want. You start by making 2 separate sides, you brush them properly, and then you twist them. You need to have a point of reference. Mine is like the middle of my throat. You twist them, you cut as much as you need, and then you repeat this step with upper layers. Every part I finish, I braid it so I don't accidentally recut the same part of hair I already did.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine.
Yes, I looked a little worried here because I chopped a huge amount of hair, but it is really important that you do it slowly. Better do several layers slowly, take your time, rather than chop a huge amount and then you see that there is a huge discrepancy between the different layers. It has to look smooth from the back and from the side, so do it slowly and do at least 4 layers so it looks good from every angle. So, what did you think? Did you like it? If you tried, please tell me in the comments how it turned out for you. I hope it helped you and it guided you through all the steps and that you look amazing now. If you liked it, please give it a little thumbs up and tell me which kind of videos you would like to see next. Salut!